again, welcome to our smoothie session. So today I've got a couple of fruits that I'll be using. I've got banana, I've got strawberry, blueberry, and I've got a little bit of watermelon, and I've got apple. So I'll be adding my yogurt, and I'll be adding peanut butter, and then today we're gonna go in a different route. So I'm having this for my breakfast. So I'll be adding a bag of oatmeal, and I'll be adding this as well. So let's go ahead and see how it's going to look like. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm going to add all my fruits. Okay, I think it's good now. So let's see, let's try it. Always excitement. That's where the excitement is at. Oh, this is so good. This is phenomenal. You know what? Go ahead and try it and let's see how it tastes for you. So good, honestly, and it's so helpful for you. Once you get this for your breakfast, it's gonna make you energetic for the day, makes you focus, and helps you complete your tasks for the day. So go ahead and try it and let's see what you think about it. And then don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.